So, what did people do for fun in the 1980s besides go to the mall and shop? Well, for one thing, there was a huge fitness craze in the 1980s. Uh, One of the major factors in that was Jane Fonda, who released a series of exercise videos in the 1980s that were incredibly popular. And Richard Simmons, who released Sweatin' to the Oldies in the 1980s. And it even crossed over into popular music because there was an Olivia Newton-John song called Physical that went to #1 in 1982. Let's get physical, physical. You want, yeah, it was just, yeah, it was that kind of a song. So, what was popular for kids? What other things did people do for fun in the 80s? Well, there were Cabbage Patch dolls. Now, the thing about Cabbage Patch dolls is that they were very hard to come by. And so it was kind of a status symbol kind of thing for a kid to have a Cabbage Patch doll. There were Care Bears. They were also very popular. Rollerblading was a thing in the 80s. Uh, it was kind of a part of the fitness craze, but even more. It was just fun. Uh, Pac-Man video game was big in the 80s. Trivial Pursuit came out in the 1980s. And Rubik's Cube came out in the 1980s. So those are some of the things that people did for fun besides shopping, besides listening to heavy metal.